Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Hey you guys, so if you can't tell, yes, we are finally filming in our new location, and I am so happy and so excited, not just for me, but for you guys, because you're finally going to be able to see very clearly what I'm doing and the products that I'm holding up and all that kind of stuff. So I am so excited. However, I haven't quite figured out how to use these lights yet, so bear with me, you know what I'm saying. We're gonna break it in this video really good though, because we are going to be reviewing the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Concealer. And I figure, you know, Jeffree Star, he's all about that bling, that highlight, that Instagram worthy highlight. So I figure, why not do a little tips and tricks on how to get that Instagram worthy highlight? Because at the end of the day, you know, we all want that. So let's get on into this Jeffree Star, because I cannot wait to try this concealer out, you guys. I literally ordered this the day that it launched. However, it just got to me, so it took a minute. I'm sorry, I'm like so thirsty, but did you guys see my cup? It's so cute. This is best mom ever. That's right. Anyways, let's get on into this Jeffree Star. So open the box up. There's the Jeffree Star pink paper, my order paper, and then there's a little card in here that has a picture of all of the colors of the Jeffree Star concealers and correctors. And then yes. Anyways, let's find my concealer. There she is. Hi, how are ya? I'm sorry, you guys know, it's the Jeffree Star concealer review video. We gotta throw a little Jeffree Star in there. Anyways, so packaging, definitely Jeffree Star. I mean, it just says, hello, yes queen, all over it. You know what I'm saying? Just diamondy and Barbie-like and all of that. The color I did order was C6. I wasn't really for sure which color to get, so I just kind of tried to guess based off of, I can't get it out. I can't get it out. So after struggling for 20 minutes, here she is in all of her glory. Very pretty, definitely very magic wand like, you know what I'm saying, which I'm sure is what he was going for. But before we crack this open, there's a couple things that I wanted to go over with you guys, because this concealer makes some pretty big claims. It supposedly covers tattoos, it has 20% pigment in it, and it says it actively helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So yeah, we will be seeing about that. And then of course it says it's full coverage, long wearing, anti-aging properties, and has a natural matte finish. Now here's the thing though that I really wanted to point out to you guys. So this right here retails for $22. So after tax and shipping, it comes to like 27 and some change. So this was my Fenty Beauty, which is my favorite and what I'm probably comparing this to as I'm going to be trying it on, because this is my all-time fave. And this is $26. So after tax, it's like, what, 27 or 28 and some change. So they're pretty much around about the same price. And this is some really good concealer right here, you guys. But here's the thing. This is 8 milliliters is what's in this. And are you guys ready for what's in this? Are you ready for this? So it's 3.4 milliliters. Like, I'm just saying, I know this looks like a magic wand, but it better be some damn magic that I'm putting on my face if I'm paying 27 and some change for 3.4 milliliters. I'm just saying. So I forgot to tell you guys, I still need to get a mirror. That's the only thing that I haven't been able to transfer to this location yet. So bear with me, I apologize. But, ooh, that's got like a thick application. Oh man. Oh wow, like that little doe foot, I mean, like, do you guys see that? Like how thick, like it just, I mean, like I'm saying like the actual brush across the, like normally when I do a line down like that, like it's not that wide. Oh wow, did you see that? Like I was like running low and I just like flipped it over. there is a lot of product. Like, this still has product in it. Holy cow. That is pretty amazing. So I will say I do like that part of it. This little doe foot though is, I don't know, it's going to take some getting used to because it's just totally different. Like the actual like brush line that I do like down my face, it's just so different. Wow. I mean, it's still going, you guys. Like, normally I would have had to like redunk it at least a couple times. But no, I mean, it's it's still going. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. That is insane. Wow. So I just did my whole entire face. Oops. Now, I just did my entire face with one dunk. You guys just saw it with your own eyes. Holy cow. So, even though you don't get a lot of product, a little bit goes a long way. So, I will give him that much. So, let's pat this out, you guys, cuz wow, I'm like, as he would say, I'm shook. Oh my gosh. Let's see how it blends out. So I will say, as like I'm like blending it, it does seem like it like kind of dries quickly. So I don't know if I would do my whole face and then blend it out. Like, I might, like, next time I put this on, like, do it in sections, you know what I'm saying? Like, do underneath one eye and then the other. But the product itself, like, normally with my Fenty Beauty, when I'm like dabbing it out, like, I have to like be really careful when I'm dabbing, otherwise like I'm literally like pushing product like all over my face. But it doesn't seem like I'm doing that with this at all. Like, it's staying pretty well. Definitely staying pretty well in one spot. Like, as a matter of fact, I'm having to like dab a little harder than what I normally would to blend it out. So, wow. I'm kind of impressed, you guys. So before I put on my blush and we get on to the highlighting portion of this video, I just wanted to show you guys this because it's a little mind-blowing to me. Are you guys ready for this? Do you see this? Like, do you see how my skin looks right now? I mean, it looks airbrushed. It literally, and I'm no joke, you guys, all I have on right now is this Jeffree Star concealer and my Hoola Quickie contour stick. That's it. And I truthfully did not think I was gonna like this Jeffree Star. Like, I thought for sure to God that I was gonna hate it and I was gonna be right back on my Fenty, but no, you guys, this very well may have just replaced my Fenty. And it's sad because I love my Fenty, but I mean, you can't argue with this. All right, guys, now that we've got our blush on and our powder and everything set and ready to go, it's time to do our highlighter and get that Instagram-worthy highlighter that we all want, which is super, super simple. So the first thing you will need is a liquid highlighter. For this, I'm going to be using Tarte's Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter, and you very simply just dot a little bit of that, just dot that right there. wherever you apply your highlighter, then you use a makeup sponge. And I basically use that sponge to dab that out right there. That's right. Which makes for a nice highlight, but we want it better. We want it blinging. We want that Jeffree Star highlight, right? You want that Jeffree Star highlight. All right, so the third thing we're gonna be using is a powder highlighter. For this, I'm gonna be using the Ofra Rodeo Drive. Y'all know what it's about. And I am also gonna be using a fan brush. I'm gonna be using the Billion Dollar Brushes fan brush. I don't know why I couldn't say that. And y'all know how much I love me a fan brush. So you just put a little highlight on your fan brush there, and ooh, watch it come to life. Do y'all see that? I mean, like, over highlighters are blinging, but this just takes it to a whole nother level. I mean, for real, y'all. Do y'all see that? All right, let's do the other side. Same thing. We're just gonna put a little bit of that liquid highlighter. Just put it like that, and then I just kind of dab it out a little bit with my finger. And then take our little makeup sponge here, and I just dab it out, and I bring it up. As you can see right there. Dab that out. And bring it up. Just like so. And as I said, that's pretty blingin', but again, we want to take it up to the next level. So we're going to get into our Rodeo Drive there and bring it to life, baby. That's right. We're going to get that Jeffree Star highlight right there. Ooh. I mean, that's just blinding. I mean, can y'all see? Can y'all see after that? I mean, shooting lasers out my face. I mean, that's some blinding ass highlighter right there. Now that everybody can see you guys from outer space, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I do want to tell you all, I am now on Instagram and Twitter. So if you're not getting notifications for my videos, definitely make sure you are following me on there, because I always do post and let you guys know when I upload something. And I do put a couple extra little surprises for those people who take the time to follow me on there. So definitely check me out on both of those and make sure you're following me. Again, with the Jeffree Star Concealer, I am really blown away. I did not think I was going to like it at all, but it was a happy surprise. It was a good surprise. And Fenty, I'm sorry, I just cheated on you, and you may have just been replaced. It is what it is. Anywho, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and my new location. Let me know what you guys thought about everything, because I'm really curious to hear your all's opinions on the lighting. Did everything come out better to you guys? Do you like it better? Do you like the old style better? Let me know what you guys think. I love to hear your opinions, and I try to give you guys what you want. I will put a couple of videos right here for you guys if you want to see more of my content. And as always, I really, really love and appreciate all of your all's support, and I hope you have a fabulous, I do not know why I cannot talk now, fabulous evening. Bye, or hi, how are ya?